Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're the hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every day, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can view all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues that affect you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
The first item is public appearances on non-agenda items. I don't think we have any. So we'll move on to the consent agenda. We need a motion for that.
So moved.
Motion's been made for a consent agenda. There were 8 new alcohol licenses on there, operators licenses. All in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Next is the consideration of the following fermented malt beverage and intoxicating liquor licenses. The only one we have is a Class B fermented malt beverage retail license and reserve Class B intoxicating liquor retail license for Zafferano Ristorante LLC at 2969 Cahill, Maine, with Kalyani Van Conferman. How'd I do?
You good. Very good.
As the agent. Can we get a motion for that?
So moved.
Motion's been made. And want to tell us about your restaurant quick?
Yeah, so it's an Indian-Italian fusion restaurant. Mostly Italian. We're doing pizzas, risotto, pasta with a little touch of Indian. We're also going to be doing some Indian-Italian inspired cocktails and some selection of wines.
Excellent. Any questions, Donald?
No.
All right, hearing no discussion, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. There you go.
Thank
you. The next item is Resolution R2225, the acceptance of the Burn Memorial JAG Violence Reduction Analyst Grant. We need a motion for that.
So moved.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none. Why don't you want to give us just about 2 minutes? I think you've talked between you and the deputy chief.
Yep, so this is the opportunity that we have to contract with a data analyst to assist with a countywide initiative that we lead, which is the Gun Violence Reduction Initiative. It's technically housed under the U.S. Attorney's Office leadership, but we lead our efforts. So this would bring in an analyst for a portion of the year to assist with developing some collaborative data among all law enforcement agencies that participate in this group in Dane County, with the ultimate goal of reducing gun violence through a number of different efforts. But we need the data. We've talked about challenges with data, and so this position and this funding opportunity strikes at the right time in order to get us that position.
Excellent. Donald, do you have any questions on it?
I do not.
All right, hearing none, all in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. Our next meeting will be on February 11th, and we need a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries.